Every spy has his own useful secrets. I found them! Well, I don't have much time. So we meet Professor Green. Crush him! Ouch! He's good! Wait a second. I have an important call. Yeah? Mom? I told you I'm on a mission. Wait. Yes, Mom. I put on a hat. The greatest spy knows how to be a good son, too. In the work of a spy, a good disguise is the key to a successful mission. Hello? Yes, your order is ready. It remains only to fill in a few documents, and you will have it. So, their deal is done. Time for a winning cup of coffee. Yuck! It's disgusting! I hope this bush will survive. But sometimes, even the best disguise needs to be improved. If your boyfriend is a spy, don't forget about that when you are at the club with your girlfriends. Have a nice evening. Let's see what she's doing there. What? Just you wait! I love this song! You're so cool! What's going on here? Apparently, this is your best girlfriend. Honey, that's not what you thought. The object is here. I'm starting to track her down. Hello, Mrs. What are you reading? Boo! Go away, girl! Ouch! What are you doing? Stop! Let's play! Let me do my job! Hey! That's my girl! I failed! I should leave! A top-notch spy needs to be trained since childhood. Mission completed! Well done, Mini Agent Smith! A good spy should always be on his guard, especially when he is at home with his family. Oh no! They found me! Darling, hide! Quick! Ah! I see you, our little spy! Daddy's girl! Every villain should remember that even a pretty blonde can be a professional spy. Hey, handsome! Let's dance? With pleasure, dear! Great! I've got the information! Surprise! glad you've come. You are a true friend. I brought cookies. Maybe we'll have a bite? Sure. My plan worked. It's time to find out if you are telling the truth. I knew it! I thought we were best friends, liar! Julia, wait! My cookie! The work of a spy can be very stressful at times. There it is! I must defuse this bomb! Which wire should I choose? There were always only 2 wires in spy school. Oh, it worked! That was easy. It remains only to find the main safe. I love my job. How to open it? I need Carol's nail with a super chip here. Hi, I'm on this mission and I need your nail. Send me your location. A good spy is always ready to help a friend. Let's do it! Hey, Carol, I'm here! Show me the safe box. Done! Wow, that's a real treasure! We've got lucky! Enough! We shouldn't be seen! Run! They say 1 spy is good, 2 is better. Well, see for yourself. No! That's wrong again! Can you imagine? I set a new password and forgot it! Don't worry, I know a spy life hack. Wait, you are going to see it. Now I am ready to help you. Wow! Hold my smartphone. We need 2 markers. I think you just ruined your camera. Trust the professional. Look. That's all. Wow, this is my password. Try it. It's working. Thanks. It's good to have a spy friend. Here's your order. Thank you. No. Yes. Got it. This is not what I asked. No, leave it. Code yellow. I'm sorry? Bring the banana. Some spy missions require special professional skills, such as knowledge of secret gestures and cast iron will. Bon appetit! I have 20 minutes before the call. I'm so tired. Ancient Turner, wake up! It's the time! Yeah, thanks! Spot ES 314.57. I'm coming! No, I'm a professional! I'm in position! Everything is clear! I'm getting down to the operation! And here's what I'm looking for! The password was successfully cracked! Done! I have all the secret information about the students. Let's see. Not a lot. A bandage? That's a good idea. In every case, a spy must be very smart. I'm a genius! Now I can easily carry it past the guards, as no one will check the poor cripple. Would you like to become a spy? Let us know in the comments below this video. Did you like our video? Then like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell. See you!